Pasang Dharma. Today my speech on how to take care health in COVID times. Number 1. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Number 2. Eating fruits, vegetable and do not eat junk foods like pizza, burger, etc. We should keep distancing 3 food. We should stay at home. We should wear the masks which going to outside. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, माय नेम इज शिवराज। मैं कोरोना वायरस में स्पीक बता रहा हूँ। मिलकर है कोरोना को भगाना, ना घर से बाहर जाना, ना अभी घर से बाहर मत जाना, ज़्यादा पौष्टिक खाना, ना कभी किसी से हाथ मिलाना, सैनिटाइजर से दोस्ती बनाना, घर से बाहर मत जाना। Thank you.
Today my topic is how to take care of health in Corona time. Number 1. We should wash our hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Number 2. We should no handshakes, only namaste. Number 3. We should do not touch and keep distance and don't eat cold things, eat and drink hot things. Number 4. We should don't create public gathering and do not use open dustbin, need cover. Number 5. We should go to hospitals if we feel sick. Don't stay at home. Number 7. We should, when coughing and sneezing, cover mouth and nose with flexed elbow.
Social distance usanogli. Watang nam hi khadi je sang mulla lakpa usanogli. Watang bazar la chana masa chau usanogli. Yang sanitizer khude chau usanogli. Thank you, madam.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Dawa Dolma 1. Today's my topic is take care of health in Corona time. Number 1 is wash your hand with soap and water and alcohol. Number 2, avoid touching your face. Number 3, keep surface clean. Number 4, stop shaking hands and hugging. Number 5, keep safe distance. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Dawa Dolma 2. Today is my topic on how to take care of your health in Corona time. Remember to wash your hand frequently with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Stop shaking hands and hugging. Keep a safe distance. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, ma'am.
Недешком намгал in Corona kanaka seduk maskop lapatus badgang bor maskop India Delhi.
Morning, principal ma'am and teachers. Today I am going to tell tips to reduce risk of corona infection. Wash hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Wash your hands 20 seconds. Cover your mouth and nose if you cough or sneeze with the inside of your elbow. Do not get close to anyone who has cold or feel like symptoms. Go to the doctor if you have a fever, cough, or feel that it is difficult to breathe. Thank you.
Today my topic on World Health Day. Health is well-being in terms of physical, social as well as mental aspect of a person. Having good health help us to function better. It is not just about living our best life, but it is also about having the means and resource to lead a better one. World Health Day is celebrated by everyone around the world on April 7. This day was created by World Health Organization to spread awareness about global health issues. It brings focus to child care and mental health as well. It was started in 1950. Every year there is a different themes for the World Health Day. 2020 is International Year of the Nurse and Midwives with the tag list. Support nurse and midwives. It is to celebrate the nurse and midwives who risk their life to save people. This theme was launched to bring light to their contribution during COVID-19. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Akshobya from class 3rd. Today I am going to present my speech on coronavirus. Someone has correctly said that health is gone, everything is gone. There are few steps to prevent coronavirus. Wash your hands frequently, wear a mask always, so avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid crowded places. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Karan. Today I am talk about how to take care of health in Corona time. Some people are more vulnerable to COVID-19 because they may not be able to carry out protective measures easily, like cleaning your hands and keeping a distance of at least 1 meter from others. Thank you.
Respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Good morning, I am Nayan Ranjan. Today we all are here because of the occasion of World Health Day. Today I am going to present a speech on World Health Day. World Health Day is celebrated every year on 7th April. This day is celebrated to create awareness among the people about the benefit of remaining healthy. If we spread awareness among the people about the different diseases, we will able to help the people from those diseases who are suffering from these diseases. The World Health Organization was formed in Geneva in 1948. The World Health Assembly was held in 7th April, and on that day it was decided that every year in this day we will celebrate this day as World Health Day. Health is a very important factor for everybody. Without health, we are not able to achieve our goal. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranvi J. I study in class 4th AGS college. As you all know, we have a virus called COVID-19. It started in Wuhan, China and has spread to India. Here are a few precautions to follow while this pandemic is going on. 1. Wear your mask at all times. This is a mask. You wear it like this or like this. In lays, we wear it like this. In low altitude places, we normally wear it like this. It's best if you wear it when you leave. It's best if you wear it when you leave the house to keep others safe and yourself. Precaution 2. Wash your hands. Washing your hands is the best option. Wash them regularly a day. Precaution 3. Keep social distancing. Social distancing basically means you need to keep 6 to 10 feet or keep 2 meters as a distance. Precaution 4. If you are sick, you must visit the hospital. Ask a doctor on is it a virus or not. The doctor will give you the correct medicine and he will give you a corona test in case if corona is in your body. But you must always wash your hands if you have a cold, fever or anything. I hope you will follow everything. Just remember everything. Wear your mask, wash your hands, keep social distancing and visit a doctor if you're safe. I hope you will follow all of these precautions made by the government. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sunita Tamang. Today I am telling a speech of how to take care of health in Corona time. 1 number, wash your hand frequently at last 20 seconds with soap or and water or alcohol-based hand rub to kill virus. 2 number, keep a distance of at least 1 meter from others. 3 number, regularly disinfect, frequently touch object and surface. 4 number, avoid touching your face. 5 number, wearing the mask always time. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Anshika Tamang. Today's speech on how to take care of health in Corona time. In a situation like this, it is a normal to feel sad, worried, confused, scared, or angry. You should know that you are not alone and should talk to someone you trust, adult, so that you can protect your parents and your health. Number 1, wash your hand frequently, always with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Number 2, remember not to touch your face. Number 3, do not share cup, food, or drinks with others. Number 4, ask questions, educate yourself, and listen to information for reliable sources. Thank you.
Today is my speech on take care of health in Corona time. Step 1, wash your hands frequently with soap and water, a cool based rub. Step 2, maintain social distance. Step 3, avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Step 4, practice respiratory hygiene. Step 5, if you have fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. Step 6, stay informed, follow advice from your healthcare provider. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am Monica Tamang. Today is my how take care health in Corona time. 20 seconds and water or alcohol based out. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Tilas Doje. I study in class 6. Today my speech is on how to take care our health during COVID time. First point, stay active. Second, get plenty of rest. Third, drink lots of fluids. Fourth, keep warm. Fifth, eat healthy food. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Toshi Suzang. Today I'm going to tell you about how to take care of your health in Corona time. You still needed to protect yourself against COVID-19 wherever you are. Wash your hands frequently, cover coughs and sneeze, avoid touching your face, avoid crowded places and limit time in enclosed spaces. Keep a distance of at least 1 meter from others. Regularly disinfect, frequently touch objects and surfaces. Isolate yourself from others if feeling unwell and seek care. If needed, stay safe. Thank you.
Hey ma'am, my name is Techananga. Today's my speech on how to take care of our health during coronavirus. First, fuel our body by a healthy, well-balanced diet. Drinking plenty of water. Second, don't feel lonely. Stay in touch with family and friends by phone, video chat, or email. Third, wash your hands and follow guidance from our local authorities. Fourth, wear masks every time before entering and during in the store. Fifth, clean hands with hand sanitizer or alcohol gel. Thank you.